Hi, this is Kent with the Effective Church Group. Thanks for joining me for this week's church tip. Getting first-time guests through your church doors is a challenge, but encouraging them to return can be even tougher. Today I'll share a 7-step plan to significantly increase the chances of your guests coming back. Step 1. Immediately after a guest's visit, deliver a memorable gift to their home. Something lasting, like a potted plant or a honey pots with your church's URL. It's a tangible reminder of their visit and shows your church's thoughtfulness. Step 2. Within 24 to 48 hours, either the pastor or a staff member should personally visit each guest. If your church is smaller, having the lead pastor make the visit can make a huge difference. This personal touch can dramatically increase the likelihood of their return. Step 3. Enter guest information into a database for tracking over the next 90 days. Monitoring their involvement helps tailor follow-up efforts, ensuring they feel welcomed and valued. Step 4. Send an email or mail specifically designed for first-time guests, introducing them to key ministries and staff. Keep it visual and to the point with plenty of graphics and minimal text. Step 5. Connect guests with a small group or Sunday school class that matches their interests or family structure. Personal invitations from group leaders can make guests feel like part of the community. Step 6. Have staff members closely monitor the guests' involvement over 3 months. Ensuring they make connections within the church is crucial for long-term retention. And Step 7. If a guest hasn't returned in 3 months, update your database but keep their information. They may come back later, and maintaining their details can help in future outreach. Implementing these steps can make all the difference in turning first-time guests into regular attendees. It shows that your church values each person and is committed to building a welcoming, supportive community. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more church growth tips. Your support helps us share more great content just like this. Thanks for joining me. Until next week, keep on transforming.